First problem, resolve 3x cube minus 2x square minus 1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 1 into partial fractions. So first we take the given fraction here, 3x cube minus 2x square minus 1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 1. Now I want to split the denominator as the product of the two terms now. So first I take the denominator here. What is the denominator? X power 4 plus x square plus 1 is equals to, in the next step I change this term as x power 4 plus 2x square plus 1 minus x square. Just I am writing the x square as 2x square minus x square. Now this is in the form of x square plus 1 whole square. This is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square x square plus 1 whole square. After taking the expansion of this term we will get this answer minus x square, which is in the form of a square minus b square. So what is the answer? A plus b into a minus b, that is x square plus 1 minus 6 into x square plus 1 plus 6, and this is equals to x square minus 6 plus 1 into x square plus 6 plus 1, that is the denominator becomes as the product of the two terms. Now we are replacing these values in the given problem. Therefore given problem is 3x cube minus 2x square minus 1 by x power 4 plus x square plus 1 is equals to 3x cube minus 2x square minus 1 by, now the denominator is now x square minus x plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. Now taking the partial fractions to this problem. Therefore 3x cube minus 2x square minus 1 by x square minus x plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equals to, here the first term is x square term, that is we take the partial fractions as ax plus b by x square minus x plus 1 plus, here the second term also contains the x square term, so we take the partial fraction as cx plus d, cx plus d by x square plus x plus 1. Now taking the LCM, x square minus x plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 or the LCM terms. Now what is the first value here? Ax plus b into x square plus x plus 1, this is the first value, plus second value cx plus d into x square minus x plus 1. Now here the denominators are cancelled. Now taking the remaining values, that is 3x cube minus 2x square minus 1 is equals to ax plus b into x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d into x square minus x plus 1. And here there is no possibility to replace any value of x to find the values of the constants. So directly we take the product of this equation and do the comparison. That is, first we multiply the values here, ax cube plus bx square, multiplying these two by x square, plus ax square plus bx, multiplying those two terms by x, plus 1 into these two values, that is ax plus b, plus cx cube plus dx square minus cx square plus minus dx plus cx plus d, 1 into these two, plus cx plus d. So 3x cube minus 2x square minus 1 is like that. So first we compare the x cube coefficients. What are the x cube coefficients? Here we have the 3 only. 3 is equals to ax cube cx cube, that is the coefficients are a plus c, a plus c. Next we take the x square coefficients. What are the x square coefficients? Here we have only minus 2. Minus 2 is equals to bx square, ax square, dx square, cx square, that is b plus a plus d minus c. So this is the second equation. Next we compare the x coefficients. What are the x coefficients? There is no x quotient in the LHS, so we take that 0 is equals to x quotients. What are x terms? bx, ax minus bx plus cx, that is 0 is equals to b plus a minus d plus c. And last comparing the constants. What are the constants? In the LHS we have the constant as minus 1. Minus 1 is equals to bd. These are the constant. bd, that is b plus d. So here we have 4 equations. Now we want to find the values of a, b, c, d by using these 4 equations. So this is first equation. What is first equation? A plus c is equals to 3. And what is third equation? This is third equation. This is 2. This is 4. What is third equation? From 3 we have that b plus a minus d plus c is equals to 0. That is a plus c plus b minus d equal to 0. But what is a plus c value? 3. That is 3 plus b minus d equal to 0. Take this is the fifth equation. So from 4 we have that b plus d is equals to minus 1. That is, now we solve these two equations to get the values of b and d. That is b plus d is equals to minus 1 and this is b minus d is equals to minus 3. Solving these two equations. So 2b is equals to minus 4, then the value of b is equals to minus 2. Now replacing this b value in this equation. So b plus d is equals to minus 1, minus 2 plus d is equals to minus 1, then the value of d is equals to minus 1 plus 2, which implies d is equals to 1. So here we get d is equals to 1 and b is equals to minus 2. Now we replace these two values in the second equation. What is second equation? B plus a plus d minus c is equals to minus 2. That is, now what is b value? Minus 2 plus a. What is d value? Plus 1 minus c is equals to minus 2. Here minus 2 gets cancelled. So the equation is a minus c is equals to minus 1. And already we have that the first equation is a plus c is equals to 3. From equation 1 we have that a plus c is equals to 3. Now solving these two equations to get the values of AC. That is a plus c is equal to 3, a minus c is equals to minus 1. Means 2a is equals to 2, then the value of a is equals to 1. Now replacing this a is equals to 1 in the equation a plus c is equals to 3. That is 1 plus c is equal to c, then the value of c is equals to 3 minus 1 equals to 2. Therefore, the value of c is equals to 2. Now replacing those four values in this equation. Therefore, 3x cube minus 2x square minus 1 by x square minus x plus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equals to ax plus b. That is 1 into x plus minus 2 by x square minus x plus 1 plus cx plus d. That is 2 into x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. Therefore, the answer is x minus 2 by x square minus x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. That's all. This is the answer.